Hey y'all, Anson here over at Ivey Forge. Alright, so I'm still in my pajamas. Yep, Dallas Cowboys. Hopefully we make playoffs this year. And yep, out here still drinking my coffee. First thing in the morning. Hair's all tattered, but hey. So opened up my door this morning and I saw they got my package in from Charming Hollow Forge, Mr. Hanz. So let's get this thing opened up. I already know what it is, but where's my knife? Box took a little bit of damage, but I still think it'll be all right. Looks like they tried taping it. Alright, so there we go. Have a nice little 5/8 round spring fooler. It's beautiful. It's gonna go right over here. Awesome. A little play, that's fine. I think it'll work great. Let you guys see. Appreciate you, Hanz. And for my 250 subscriber giveaway, right? I said I was doing that mild steel hammer. I've reached 250. I reached it last night. I appreciate all of you. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that open, and you can go check out that video. I'll link it up, and as long as you go in and watch the video, say the magic phrase for the giveaway down in the comments, then I'll go ahead and accept those all the way up until my Sunday live show tomorrow at 2 p.m. All right, and we'll see you there. Later, y'all.